Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is welcome to another video for my agent secrets case study. For the next couple of days, I'm going to be using my phone to do this video, and I might not really know the day I'm in because I'm kind of confused. I'm sorry about that, but you just see it on the thumbnail. So before we get right into checking my stats and cutting right which is for those that are just joining in, I'm doing my DGN secrets case study video from day 1 so to day 30 to get my first sale on Clickbank. So you might be asking yourself, what is my DGN secrets? So my DGN secrets is a mailing system that gives you 100 leads a day for you to mail out. That's basically what the system is, and these leads are interested in business opportunity offers. Like I said, I'm not sure they're going to work in any category, but that's what my legend secret is. So if you want to jump in on this system, there'll be a link in the description you can use to check out. Then you brought over to this page, and you click on use my secret now. Then you type in an email, you click on get started, right? Then you input your information here, put in your credit card. And if you have not joined me, like I said, if you want to use, if you're a Nigerian and you want to get in on the system, I use a system known as Wallet Africa. They give you virtual cards, right? As you can see, they give you virtual cards, and their limit of this card is $2,500 per day. So because you can't use your debit card to buy this, as our cards are capped at $20. So I'll have a link in the description below so you can get in on this as well. They give Naira cards. At the time I got my own, there was no Naira cards, but you can fund your debit card. So you can fund your dollar card. Dollar is sold at the rate of 606 on the platform. So you want to take notes, but you can find where you can get dollars cheap rates. You can go for that. But I highly recommend this, guys. Their support is good. So yeah, and I'll click on start here. Not really start here. I'm supposed to log in actually. I think I just refresh the page. So I'll hit this Sarabada. I'll hit this hamburger icon. I'll click on login. So we got no sales today again. So that's not bad. Still keep sending. Better days ahead. Okay, so let me check. Let me go over to reporting and check reporting real quick and see how we did for the start. So let's check reporting and let's see. So we had we had total of 79 hops, right? So I'll just say 79 hops total. So yep, 39 hops total. So let me quickly log into my legend secrets and see and log in actually. You can see the start from there. So I'll click on this. I should give it a second, let it load up. I'll click on not use my secret actually. I'll just click on members login actually. And I will log in. So I think the last time we mailed out was on, I think the date was on the 20th, right? So I didn't mail out yesterday, I guess. So that's because the dates are kind of confusing me in a way. Okay, so I'm going to still be mailing. Okay, this is our start. 35 open, 6 click, 6% open rate, 17% click-through rate. Alright. So I'm still going to be mailing out the same product we did the last time, which is write-up reviews. So we'll go over to marketplace. Sorry, I don't know. Let me click this marketplace. For some reason, not actually clicking. I don't know. Maybe I should just go to my dashboard. Okay, so to click on marketplace. So I'm red reason this is not really going. I don't know why. Maybe I should refresh the page. Click on marketplace. I don't know why I wasn't going at first. Then we go over to e-business and e-marketing, which is over here. Then we are promoting write-up reviews, which is the product that's here. Let's scroll down till we find it. Okay, this is here. So I am going to click. First and foremost, I go to the affiliate page. So I like to check. Let me check what I mailed out the last time. That's for. I like to see. So I think I'm going to be mailing. That's 3. So I think I'm mailing day 3 for this. This is going to be the 3rd day. Then after this, I'm going to probably do another one. So I go to new swipes. Okay. So I think it's going to be day 2 actually. So I'll copy this. Let me copy this real quick. Copy. Now, as always, let me just copy the whole thing. Let me start all that. Let me copy the whole thing. Oh, yikes. Okay. So just copy right here, and I'll click on I'll go to my this, and I'll go over to the mailing system. Then today I think I'm mailing 300, 400, I'm mailing 600 people. I'll select all the leads. I'm mailing 900 people today. Yeah, I didn't even know. Like, this whole date thing is just confusing me. I have to kind of get my date right. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll highlight all these places, and I'll delete everything. Same here. I'll delete everything. Now I'll paste this one. Let me zoom in a bit. So I'll delete this as well. I'll copy this. Yikes, sorry about that. My phone almost dropped there. Right. I think I'll cut this inside. And I'll go to subject line. That's good to show that you can actually do this with your phone. You don't really need a laptop if you don't have a laptop. So you can create a Clickbank with your phone. You can create a Clickbank, you can mail out with your phone as well. So I'm not with my laptop, so that's why I cannot do this with my phone, my laptop. So I have to use what I've got. So You have to delete this emoji as always because it won't send. Right? Delete this as well. It won't send. Then high name. As always, you want to go and pick up a code here. Copy this. Copy this. Copy this. Go down. So the next thing, sorry about that. I'll just paste it right here. I think I'll just close this one. What? That's not where I wanted to put it. So I pasted it already. Next thing for me to go and generate my hop link, just click on promote right here. Let me just move this up. Right up, I'll promote it. In this tracking ID, I'll put MLGS. And I'll create hop link. I'll copy that. And I'll go over to the mailing system. Then we'll highlight this. And click on this hyperlink over here. And I'll paste that right there. Right. Now hit OK. And down here that says signature, I just put Jeremiah. Then I'll preview the email. Check if all is well. How is going very smoothly. So everything is looking nice. Then I'll delete everything. And I'll check if the email is good. And I'll hit perfect timing. Click on perfect timing. Alright, so I'll hit send email. Wait for it to see if it start going. So as you can see, my email has already started sending already. As you can see, I will be able to mail the next 24 hours. So let's go back to the statistics section. Right. So this is statistics so far. Yep. I've been slacking. I've not really been sending out mails. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is another day for the My Legion Secrets case study review. I'm sorry that these past few days have not really been perfect, but I just have to get a video out, for you guys. As soon as I get my laptop, I'll do good videos and better. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Join me on my next case study review video. So yeah, bye for now.